Hi, I am Dr. Yogini Khambata. I have recently attended practice management workshop by Dr. Bhavdeep Singh Ahuja sir. In this workshop, I have learned many topics in detail from the first consultation to ethical way of marketing, staff management, how we can work on appointment basis, how we can negotiate with patient when they are bargaining, and many more things like that in detail. There are few things which I liked the most about this workshop. First, there is a pre-recorded session, so I can watch it whenever I want. Second, there are exercises given by sir during the workshop. Those exercises are designed so beautifully that when you do it, you actually understand the topic better, and also it kind of self-assess activity where you can analyze yourself and find out that where you are lacking in practice and where you want to work on, what are your goals, like that. And one of the most amazing thing about this workshop is the interactive session with sir. There are live sessions where you can interact directly with sir, where everyone can ask their queries and sir will clear your doubt. This workshop really helped me to elevating my practice. I will definitely recommend this workshop, especially to the beginner, because there are so many topics which you won't find anywhere. And Dr. Bhavdeep sir teaches every topic in such a way that it will definitely lead you to the right direction. And also for the experienced practitioner, it will help you to look at things from the new perspective, which will help you to elevate your practice. Dr. Bhavdeep sir is very experienced and knowledgeable person, and I am so happy that I have attended this workshop, and I can't thank you enough, sir. Thank you so much for all your guidance. Thank you.